Hi there, and welcome to Virtual Desk Solution, where we teach basic computer classes. If you're new to learn computers or you're just getting started, this video is for you. So today I'm going to show you how to create forms, and you can send it or share with your friends, or maybe if it's a class, you can share with your students to fill in that form. For example, you can create a questionnaire using form. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. So to access your Google form, so you'll need to have a Gmail account. And if you have a Gmail account, you'll be good to go. So once you have your Gmail account, you'll need to come to this section and click this menu bar. So once you click the menu bar, you'll scroll down to this section, then click forms. And once you click forms, you'll be redirected to this section. The other way to access without coming through this way, you can open a new tab, then search forms and then click. So once you click like that, you'll have access of your form. So to create a form, you can click the blank form where now you create your own form. And on the other side, before we open, you'll have a view of the other templates. Like for example, if you want to create a form for a party, you will have this kind of template. So once you click, like for example, this one, you'll be able to have a template that you can copy and edit the questions that you want to ask you people. So as you can see, if it's a party kind of question that you want to put in here, you'll just come to this section. You can edit maybe the image by double clicking in here. Then you can edit the image and then you add your image. And as you can see in these questions, we have a different menu on this right side. So this one is to add more questions. Then this is to edit the text. You can use this icon here to add images in your form. And here you can add videos and then to add subsections. You can have a question that has subsections. So this is where you click. For example, if you want to use this kind of template, you'll just come to this section and edit the question. For example, you can put a description of your party, what the party is all about. For example, if it's a birthday party, you can put the description there. Then the first question is, what is your name? So that you can be able to know the person who will be attending your party, for example, if that is the question. So that question, you can retain it. Can you attend the party? So they'll have a section to answer this. If it's yes, I'll be there. Sorry, I can't make it. So for these questions, you can edit the type of question that you want. So for example, for this question, you can see the answer is a short answer. You can change it to maybe we can put it a paragraph. A paragraph is where the people attending are going to have they can respond with a lot of information. And the check boxes, now this one is where the people attending will have to answer with clicking the check boxes, where you'll give them the option to click the check boxes. Drop down, they can select the answers. File, here is where you'll upload an image and so on and so forth. So for example, if this person, for this question, it's a multiple question where they'll need to respond. If yes, they'll be attending, or if no, they won't be attending. You can also change this one as well. So the same. And if you want to edit your own form, or maybe you want to create a fresh new form, so you'll just click there, blank form, then come to this section and rename the title of your form. For example, it's a birthday party. birthday.